Bailey, co-founder here at Data Tiles. Welcome to today's how-to video for ChattterBox. This will be part of a series tailored for businesses across various industries. Today we'll focus on how ChattterBox can transform your hairdressing and beauty services business. In this fast-paced industry, managing appointments, understanding customer preferences, and optimizing product usage are crucial to growing your business. However, many small and medium-sized enterprises struggle to make sense of the data they collect, from platforms like scheduling tools, customer databases, or even inventory systems. In this video, I'll walk you through ChatterBox, a tool specifically designed for SMEs. With ChatterBox, you can easily upload your data from platforms like HubSpot or appointment management software, ask questions using AI-driven prompts, and quickly get insights. Once you have your results, you can download them into Excel, making it easy to create tables, charts, or reports that will help inform your business decisions. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use ChatterBox to track appointment trends, understand customer preferences, monitor product usage, and ultimately improve customer satisfaction in your hairdressing or beauty services business. So let's get started. Let's begin by uploading your data to ChatterBox. Head over to the My Files section where you can easily upload important information like appointment schedules, customer data, or inventory details from your booking system or CRM system via CSV or text file. Centralizing this information in ChatterBox makes it much more convenient to analyze trends, manage operations, and gain actionable insights without needing any technical expertise. In this demo, we'll be uploading sample data for appointment bookings. If you're following along with ChatterBox, you can use the same data by downloading the sample file provided in the description section of this video. By uploading your own data, you'll be able to see how ChatterBox turns raw information into valuable insights for your business. Now that we've explored how easy it is to upload your data into ChatterBox, let's dive into some of the common challenges faced in the hairdressing and beauty services industry. Managing appointment schedules, tracking product usage, and understanding customer preferences can often feel overwhelming. But with ChatterBox, you can address these pain points directly by simply asking the right questions. Let's take a closer look at how ChatterBox can help you solve these everyday business problems, starting with managing your appointment loads. Navigating to ChatterBox from the My Files section, select the file you wish to chat with. You can ask ChatterBox, what are the peak times for hairdressing appointments this month? ChatterBox will instantly provide you with an overview of your busiest times. You can download this data into Excel to create a visual chart that helps you schedule your staff more efficiently and maximize your booking capacity. Whilst managing appointments is crucial, another common challenge is keeping track of product usage efficiently. Let's see how ChatterBox can help you optimize product consumption to reduce waste and increase profitability. You can ask ChatterBox, how much shampoo and conditioner were used last month? The tool will show you details of product usage, helping you to optimize inventory management. You can export the insights into Excel and create charts to compare product consumption across different services, ensuring you're not overspending on products. With product usage under control, the next challenge is understanding your customers' preferences. Let's explore how ChatterBox can help you identify the most popular services, ensuring your business is aligned with what your customers truly want. You can ask ChatterBox what services are most popular with clients this month. The tool will provide a breakdown of your most requested services, such as haircuts, color treatments, or facials. You can easily export these insights into Excel and create reports, helping you focus on promoting the services that are in high demand. Now that we've addressed customer preferences, let's focus on something just as important: tracking customer satisfaction. Understanding how your clients feel about the services you provide is key to building loyalty. Let's see how ChatterBox can help you monitor and improve customer feedback. You can ask ChatterBox, how do your customer satisfaction ratings vary across different services? The tool will show you feedback scores from your customer database, helping you to identify which services receive the highest and lowest customer ratings. With this data, you can create visual reports to track customer satisfaction trends over time, enabling you to understand which services are meeting customer expectations and which may need improvement. In the hairdressing and beauty services industry, tracking the right metrics is key to staying competitive and ensuring your business runs smoothly. Here are some crucial metrics that ChatterBox can help you monitor. Appointment load. It's not just about knowing how many bookings you have. By tracking metrics like average appointment duration, revenue per appointment, and cancellation rates, you can better manage your time and resources. For example, you can ask ChatterBox, what is the average appointment duration, to identify inefficiencies and adjust your scheduling to fit more clients in without overwhelming your staff. Product usage. Keeping a close eye on your inventory can prevent over-ordering and product wastage. ChatterBox allows you to track cost to revenue ratios on product usage by asking, what is our product usage cost per service? You can also monitor inventory turnover rates to ensure you're restocking products efficiently. By exporting this data to Excel, you can create detailed charts that compare product consumption across different services, helping you to streamline your inventory management process. Customer satisfaction. High customer satisfaction drives loyalty and repeat business. In addition to service-specific feedback, you should track your repeat customer rate and net promoter score. Asking ChatterBox, what are our lowest rated services, allows you to focus on areas of improvement, helping you fine-tune your service offerings to meet client expectations. By regularly monitoring these KPIs, you can make informed decisions to optimize your operations and improve profitability. Maximizing the potential of ChatterBox goes beyond tracking KPIs. Adopting the right strategies can help you make better decisions for your business. Here are some expert tips and best practices to help you get the most out of your data. Avoid overbooking. Overbooking can lead to rushed services and unhappy clients. Use ChatterBox to stay on top of your appointment trends by asking what days have the least bookings next week, and offering special promotions to fill those slower days. You can also stagger high demand services on quieter days to spread out your workload and avoid bottlenecks. Fill slow days with targeted offers. When you identify underbooked slots, create personalized promotions for specific services that typically have lower demand during those times. For example, if Mondays are your slowest day, offer discounted facials or hair treatments. ChatterBox can help by showing you which services are least booked this week, so you can tailor your promotions accordingly. Focus on customer satisfaction. Use customer feedback to your advantage. Ask ChatterBox which beauty services have the highest customer satisfaction and direct your marketing efforts towards promoting those services. You can also use feedback insights to create personalized follow-ups with clients, offering them promotions on services they haven't tried yet, encouraging them to explore more of your offerings. Utilize suggested prompts. If you're ever unsure what to ask of your data, ChatterBox will provide suggested prompts based on your data. This feature ensures you can continue extracting valuable insights without having to think of new questions every time. By using these best practices, you can ensure that you're always ahead of scheduling challenges, customer preferences, and inventory management, making your business more efficient and responsive to both customer needs and operational demands. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this walkthrough of ChatterBox has provided you with valuable insights into how to enhance your hairdressing and beauty services business. Remember, leveraging data is key to understanding your customers and improving your operations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more how-to videos tailored to various industries. Don't forget to start your free trial with ChatterBox today to unlock the full potential of your data. You can find the link in the description. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I'd love to hear how you plan to use ChatterBox in your business. Until next time, catch you in the chat. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this walkthrough of ChatterBox has provided you with valuable insights into how to enhance your hairdressing.